Hi everyone, this is Judy from pursuitoffunctionalhome.com and welcome to our beauty edition. I put Olay moisturizer on my face. I usually put primer before anything else. It makes my skin smooth and the makeup lasts longer. I spread it all over my face. I applied lip balm on my lips and I use L'Oreal True Match foundation. I only put about this much. So I'm using foundation brush and just spread it all over my face, my ears and my neck. Time to conceal those blemishes and dark circles. Set the foundation and concealer with powder. I was using a regular powder brush. For the eyes, I am using this lovely old rose color. I apply it on the crease and a little above it. I put more of the eyeshadows at the outer V of my eyes, then continue blending. If you have hooded eyes like me, try not to use shimmery eyeshadows on your brow bone, or else the more it will be highlighted. For the eyebrows, I was using Silka Girl eyeshadow. I was using the darkest brown. I rarely use pencil on my brows. I love using eyeshadow because it's softer and I am comfortable using it. Use black eyeliner on your upper lash lines. Line a black eyeliner under your upper lash lines and your lower lash lines. I dab the eyebrow brush with the Old Rose eyeshadow, then apply it on my lower lash lines. I want my eyelid to pop, so I added shimmery brown eyeshadow on my lid. I only applied it on the 2/3 of my eyes, inner tear ducts, and half of my lower lash lines. I have thin, scarce lashes. It is a bit hard to really maintain the curls. Apply your favorite mascara. I am loving Maybelline. Start from the bottom and wiggle it up, then apply mascara in the lower lashes. I lightly blush my cheeks using a powder brush. Using a lip liner, line the outer line of your lips. Then fill the whole lips. I love it like this as my lipstick lasts a little longer. Highlight the cheekbones, middle of your nose, cupid's bow, and the chin. This makes your skin glow and look healthy. Apply your favorite bronzer on your forehead, sides of your face, jawline, and under your chin. I like applying some bronzer too at the sides of my nose. Set face with your favorite powder. This look is nice for office, day out, guest wedding makeup, or anything. To give my eyes more depth, I apply dark brown eyeshadow on the crease of my eyes. And then continue blending. Oops, baby needs mama. And there you go. If you like this makeup tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe or give me a thumbs up. It's all up to you. So visit my website for the complete products used in this video, and the music is Vision of Persistence by Kevin MacLeod in computech.com.